Hello, Odd Job Doer here, and today's little thing is, let's say you had a shower door like this, that slides left to right, and let's say it slides like this. Either not very good or very, very tight. Then guess what? Today's video is probably for you in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this door out and replace the nylon rollers on it, or rollers, whatever kind of roller it has. Now to take this thing out, it is a little muscly. It is called, it's glass, but what you gotta do is come like so and get on both sides of it like this, and then just kind of lift up and out with the bottom, and see, then you get like that, and you get this little wheel up there. You see that thing right there? Yeah, well, you get that wheel up from there. Guess what? There's one back here too, so you have to get that one out. And yeah, let me just try this without the camera in my hand. Got one side out, and it lifts up and back towards the other piece of glass. Sometimes you gotta angle it, move it around, trying to snap it. It's a lot heavier once it's out of the other channel. And sometimes you end up getting the other one in. Tight. Alright, so back-to-back doors is no good. Great, so, phew, am I done yet? So now that thing is out, and you can see here, you see that? You see that? See that little wheel there? See how it hardly turns? You don't now because you have camera. See? You can't spin this thing. Well, you can, but only by hand. It's really tight. This one over here, where are we at here? This one is really loose, and the bearings in it have bared its last door. So, what we'll do next is take those off. Alright, so we have it in position here, and as you can see, we got this one is the floppy one, so this takes one of these guys, a number 2 Phillips, right? So from the back side here, just engage it and unscrew it, right? Try to keep all the parts together. And do the same for the other side over here. Got to reach around, find it, and so it kind of looks from the back side. So just a little Phillips number 2 screw here. Alright. So we got that there unscrewed and taken apart. Now then, you take your parts here, in case unless you already know. Earthquake. Alright, so take said parts here, these little nylon wheels, to your local hardware store or your online, and This particular one has a little washer thing on the back. Spacer, right? So you take that off, wash the washer off. This wheel thing here, bearing, you take it in your hardware store and you find one. Find one that matches it as close as you can. I mean, if you have this kind of door, I think they're still kind of making them like this, but you know, this is probably made in the 60s, 70s. And you know, maybe they're trying to get rid of that kind of stuff, who knows. Anyways, I just happened to find ta-da! This guy here. Ooh, nice, shiny, clean nylon wheel. And what we'll do is put them back on, the new ones. Now the trick here is one thing to look for is if you are opening the door and closing it and see if it's dragging on the bottom of the rail that it sits in, you might want to drop the position a notch or two. If it's two, I doubt it'd be even moving. So what we did here is we have the middle hole is what we're going to do. So put the screw in, put your spacer on, slash washer, and the new wheel. And you tighten it down pretty snug. You know, you don't want it coming loose. It has a locking threads on the back of that nut. There. And you test it. Yep, it spins great. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side, and I'll be right back. In case I didn't show you this, this down here is the track that it kind of rests in. It's not really supposed to slide along the bottom. It's just supposed to slide between those two metal rails. The one over here, and the one in the middle, and the one on the outside. And so it slides between there, and then it goes up in here. And there's a groove type of thing where it sits in. Woo! So it sits in this top metal rail. And yeah, so now we're ready to skillfully put in the this one here. And just kind of lift it up and in, kind of like reverse of taken out, right? We all love that term. Replacement is reverse of taking it apart. So I will lift up this one here in the back, up and hook it, and then we'll slide this door closed again, and then up and hook this one. And now they're both hooked in there. It's still on the bottom rack, so I have to lift the whole thing up, bottom rack, and a popla. Now then, here comes the magic. So, we got set door on the rack, and give it a little slide. Alright, look at that. It opens, it closes, just like magic. Like it should. I want to adjust it some. Otherwise, that is that. And the best part for this now is, yeah, you wait till the person that uses the shower next, and you can either tell them that you replaced the old bearings and for them to watch out, or you don't tell them and let them grab hold of it and yank real hard, thinking they have to put pressure on it, and it ends up busting the door. And then you can replace the whole door. Well, this job here is done. If you have any questions or comments, let them be known. I'll try to get back to them. And otherwise, Odd Job Doer, thanks for watching.